I'm David Bennett, and I am the Director of Business Development at Nolan's Cell Therapy and Laboratory Services. I joined Nolan around a year ago because I'm passionate about the pharmaceutical industry and the life sciences industry in particular. And I recognize there's going to be a real need for the services of high quality cellular starting materials going forwards. And at Nolan, we're in the unique position where we have around 1 million donors in our registry, meaning that we can provide the diversity and the broad stream of cellular materials that the cell therapy industry will need going forwards. Well, what we've seen over the last number of years is a lot of work going on in the research. So essentially looking for a concept that something works. As we move closer and closer to the marketplace, we need to have that variability and we need donors from different backgrounds. And this is going to be essential to get these products from the research actually into the marketplace where we can really help the patients. Well, I think the challenges that the industry is facing at the moment is where can it secure these donors from? So there are obviously a number of suppliers around, but they're actually securing the cells from a small donor pool. Now, over the past 20, 50 years, we've got a number of registries across the globe with lots of people in, but they've been generally only available for the transplant community. What we're looking at moving forwards is how can we make that available to the cell and gene therapy industry moving forward. So actually, we're looking at how can we save more lives, moving along with the technology going forward. So companies in this area need to be able to secure those. And at Nolan, we're right at the forefront of trying to see how can we make that registry available for that industry and those new products as well.